Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Or should I say, surprise family? Because yes, I put a surprise on you guys. I hope you guys like it because I'm liking it and I'm loving it and I'm feeling it. And now I feel like I can be a rapper, but really, I'm not rapping right now, but let's get on with this video. Before we go ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like my video, comment on it, share it, and the most important thing is don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so you don't miss any video from me. Well, you may be wondering why I did the big chop. Really, I don't know why I did the big chop. I just felt it. It was something that I had been thinking about for a while now. I had wanted to do it about, I would say, a year ago. I wanted to try something new, but I never really ended up getting it done. But this time around, it just happened. I just felt like doing it. I just felt like starting all over. I just felt like my hair needed a break. And that break was chopping it all off and then restarting it all back again. And truly to tell you, I feel so relieved with like this short hair going on because it's so, well, I would say it's easy to manage, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to manage sometimes. So I would say it depends. It depends on the day and it depends on the agenda for the day. Because sometimes I wake up and I'm going to work and I just don't feel like doing anything to the hair. So I kind of just use my afro comb to kind of make a little afro. But sometimes I kind of want to look, curly and everything. So I take my time to put the curls in and everything. But so far I'm enjoying it. Really, I am enjoying it. And one funny thing is, I didn't have any style. I wanted my hair to be cut till I would say the night before I did the chop. I just went on my phone and went to Google to find some short natural haircuts. I ended up with some images, but really when I got to the barber the next day, I ended up not getting those. I just sat in the chair and then I told the barber to kind of give me whatever he thinks would look good on me. And I think he pulled it off. It does look good on me. I love it. I'm enjoying it. I just love it. My baby, I remember when I came home, I told my baby couldn't recognize me, but she did. She just jumped right into my arms. It was a beautiful day for me because I I'm from Africa, by the way, and in Africa, when you are going to high school, you need to, even if you're a girl or a female or whatever, you need to have your hair cut like a big chop. And most of us were bald headed in high school, so I'm kind of used to this, but it wasn't, this cool. You had the boy cut, not this whole girly, curly thing going on. It was different from this, and you didn't have time to put any gel or anything in. It was just basic. So this is not the first time I'm having this chop, but I would say I am loving it. I'm enjoying it. I am going to grow my hair back, by the way. I'm not going to leave it short. Sometimes I want to leave it short. I want to go back to the barber to get it more cut, but I feel like I should grow it. I want to grow it with you guys. I want to start this whole natural hair journey and process with you guys. I want us also to start from the basics all over again with all the products and everything. Let's just start all over again. I know I have some viewers who have more hair length than me now, but we all gonna grow it together as a family because that's what you guys are to me. I'm excited about this. I am really excited. And one thing that I've noticed is my hair is growing like crazy since I did the cut. We are gonna work this out, work this together, make some hairstyles with it, some twist outs, some wash and goes, some braid out, some flat twist, some everything. I'm excited to start all over again. And one thing I did for you guys is I recorded the whole process of the big chop. You know, I got it professionally done, but thanks to my little sister, she got the whole thing on video. So I'm going to be adding that to this video so you guys can see how the whole process went. I know some people do big chops and they're like, well, I didn't feel like videoing it for you guys to see, but with me, I want you guys to be part of the journey. So we are all gonna start from the day that I got the chop till my monthly updates and everything. We're all gonna be in this together. So if you're excited, please comment and let me know what you think about this. I know you're gonna love it. Let me kind of flex a little. And as you can see, I kind of got a tapered cut where I have the sides lower than the middle. Yeah, and then the back is also lower. I feel like the only part that is high is the top, but all the other parts of my hair is really low, and it's still growing. It is growing, but I know that they are all not going to be growing at the same rate or the same length since I had it cut tape, like I had the tapered cut. Yeah, T-A-P-E-R-E-D. Yep, that's what it is. So before I show you guys the video, or should I say, you know what, I'm going to do a length check after I show you guys the big chop video. So join me as we go and roll into the video. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the big chop day. We did our very best to get everything on camera for you, and yep, I did it. It's done. We are gonna grow it back together. I'm gonna do a length check now for us to kind of see where we are. It's grown. I think I had this done about a week or two ago. I'm not sure. I got to go back into my gallery to find the day I did the chop, but I'm gonna leave that also in the description box. But let's do a length check Yeah, to see where we are. So yeah, like right, I would say, when my get into my eyebrows. Yes. So I'm gonna do a length check, time in and out, for us to know our growth together. Yeah, I put some gel in it too. I'm gonna, yeah. But as I said, we are gonna grow this together. We are gonna have fun with this and everything. And I hope everybody is staying safe, because this whole COVID-19 is still going on. I keep praying for everybody. I keep praying for the world, because that's what we need. But I want to show you guys something beautiful. I have this face mask. It's made with African print. It's so beautiful, guys, and the material feels so soft, and this is how it looks on the inside. Yep. And I have it in 2 different fabrics or colors. I would rock this to work because it has only one neutral color going on, and I would take this to the store or outside when I'm just outside going somewhere. I love it. I've been rocking this. Let me show you. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. Yeah, I love the colors going on. It's so colorful. And one best thing about it is I got the scarf for it. So just imagine you rocking this and then your mask together, or you can turn this into so many different things. You can even turn this into a dress. And this was made by FINERY. FINERY. You can check them out on Facebook, on Instagram. I'm gonna leave their name and all their details in the description box. And she doesn't only make masks and scarves, she make African prints, she does alterations and stuff like that. Guys, let's try to support our own. It's a Black owned business. Let's try our best to support it. But trust me, this is the real deal right now. And it's washable and everything, so you don't have to dispose it. But this brings us to the end of the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Yes, and it's probably gonna be another natural hair video, a length check, or maybe a hair wash. I don't know, we'll see. But until then, stay safe, be blessed, and I love you all. And it's a bye.